Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is KAMILAH binti ZULKANAIN and my matrix number is 230000307. I'm a first year student of Bachelor of Shariah at Faculty of Islamic Studies, University Malaya, Kuala Lumpur. Today, I will be presenting for subject IIP1010 Shariah Principles in Islamic Economic System. So today, I will be present about human resources management in Islamic perspectives. First of all, what is human resources management? Human resources management in general means a group of strategical management that manage important element in a company, which is employee recruitment. Human resources management also plays important roles in a company, like managing pay, employee benefit system, compensations, training and development, and also motivating employees. But human resources management in Islamic perspectives are actually more than that. In Islam, human resources management covers about individuals' morality, their beliefs, knowledge, and also the company and the individual goals. So, overall, there are 4 aspects of human resources management in Islam. So, for the first one, we have human resources management in Islamic ontology perspectives. Ontology is the philosophical study of being. It is traditionally understood as the subdisciplines of metaphysics focused on the most general features of reality. So there are 7 features of ontology, which is it exists, the facts, existent, the essence of starch, jawhar, changes, and the last one is singularity and diversity. So for the last feature, singularity, is actually referring to Islamic concept, which is Tauhid concept, that means declaration of belief in the oneness of God, which is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay, next we have human resources management in Islamic epistemology perspective. What is epistemology? Epistemology is the philosophical study of the nature, origin, and limits of human knowledge. The term is derived from the Greek episteme, which is mean knowledge, and logos means reason, and accordingly, the field is sometimes referred as the theory of knowledge. There are 2 types of knowledges in Islamic philosophical. For the first one, presentational knowledge, or knowledge by presence, and the second one is acquired knowledge. So this means epistemology is all about knowledge. So when recruiting or choosing employee, it is important to choose someone who is capable and knowledgeable about the task or the responsibilities that will be given to them, so that they can do it and accomplish it. Okay, so for the third one, we have human resources management in Islamic axiology perspective. Axiology is the systematic study of values, also called as value theory. It examines the nature, sources, and types of values. The word axiology has its origin from the ancient Greek terms axios, mean word or value, and logos means study or theory of. So, there's 3 principles of axiology in Islamic perspective. The first one, shura, or we call it meeting, and the second one, justice, and the third one is trust. So, for this first one, shura, or we call it meeting for now, is actually a unique concept in Islam. It was actually been practiced since the era of Prophet Muhammad until now. And the second one is justice. Justice is an important value to be implied in the company to achieve the company's goals, because it can create a positive teamwork that impact by the justice. And the last one is trust. Trust can be defined as some tasks or responsibilities that has been given to us and we manage to accomplish it. And trust is also the opposite of betrayal. For the last one, we have human resources management in Islamic teleology perspective. Teleology is a word from Greek. Telos means and logos means reason. Explanation by reference to some purpose, end, goal, or function. Simply put, teleology means a branch of causality giving the reason or an explanation for something as a function of its end, its purpose, or its goal, as opposed to as function of its cause. In Islam, of course, our goals should not be only achieving success in our life or our works, but also we must seek Allah's pleasure in everything we do. It is also can bring positive impacts towards all the employee and also the employer. So, for the conclusion, it is important to apply not only the operational system in a company, but also the philosophical theory that has been the basic of the management system. Like we have been discussing earlier, the first one, we must hold on to the Tawhid concept or the singularity for the ontology perspective. Next, for the epistemology perspective, knowledge is important in everything we do in life. For the axiology perspective, there are three principles that should be implied in an organization, which is shura, justice, and trust. And for the last one, teleology perspective, the goals must be to seek Allah's pleasure and in the meantime achieving success. That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.